Jonny builds unbreakable things.
This is the turbo header manifold that I'm modifying a 1 7/8 inch primaries to a 3-inch collector, 3-inch 304 stainless steel piping, 16 gauge. Here I am getting the correct angles and piping route to the turbos to get them into the correct position. I am tacking with wire, so I'm keeping the fitment pretty tight. I'm using pie cuts, pre-made pie cuts, and then those are 90-degree adapter elbows that slip over the collector, and then they're going to be butt welded together all the way up to the VB band flange, which is going to be thicker. I believe it's 1/8, 3/16 thick. So we're going to go from 16 gauge to, let's just say, 3/16. That seems about the thickness of the flange. This header is for a small box Chevy, pre-purchase header, and I am fabricating the portions coming off the collector to the turbo. So after tacking, I am running a pulse weld. I'm actually pulsing the laser to slow down the wire so there's less chance of burn through. It goes slower, so I'm able to control it more and keep it on the seam. It gives it a more cosmetically appealing weld, as well as it makes it easier since it's not on a rotary positioner. So that gives a full penetration. I'm back purging the manifold as well to keep contaminants from entering the weld and oxidation. The last step here is cleaning the outside of the weld to reduce coloration, because I am going to polish this after, so this gives me a good starting point to polish the welds because it gets in all the deep crevices and everything. It seals up the weld as far as if it passivates it, but it also gives it a polished look. It makes polishing it a lot easier because it's already pretty much polished. After this, I'm going to be installing the turbo adapter flange with the wastegate, so make sure to check out the next episode where we will be covering that. And here is Kara inspecting my welds. She's a tough critic.